Kali-chan with World of Kali, and this is a Kasual Kali where everything is unscripted, unedited, and I just take you through all my life adventures here in Japan. And today is actually Christmas Day in Japan, so Merry Christmas everyone! Oh my gosh, it's super windy and it's super cold, so I want to go back home as soon as possible. But I noticed that I haven't really brought you guys anything Christmas as far as my YouTubes go in Japan. And I wanted to show you something because this is Shibuya. I'm in Shibuya right now. And normally the Hello Kitty, well, there's a tree and they have Hello Kitty ribbons and it usually lights up. But I guess it's not dark enough because they haven't lit it up yet. So I'm so sad. I really want to show it to you guys, but I'm not gonna stand out here for like hours waiting for it to light up because, like I said, it's cold and it's crowded here. In case you guys don't know about Shibuya, this is like one of the central spots you guys have to see if you're in Tokyo. Everybody comes here. Everybody comes here. And I'm actually going to go through the Shibuya crossing. If you guys don't know what that is, it is like this big scramble walking area right outside the Shibuya Station. It's crazy because this is like the perfect time too because everybody is just waiting to cross the street. Check it out. Oh, the light turned green, so here we go. And actually, I'm looking across the way. It's Christmas, so somebody's talking about the message of Christmas, which is the message of Christ coming down to earth and being our Lord and Savior. So they're on the megaphone about that. Okay, so as you can tell, there's like a lot of people behind me. You know what? I'm surprised. I'm surprised I haven't done this like ever since I've been here, and you would think that I would have already covered this, but no. So yeah. Wow, that's a loud megaphone. It's blasting everywhere. So across the street there is this little, what can I say? This little Christmas decoration. I think this is the most I'm gonna find. Okay, but normally if you hit some of the other towns around Japan, they actually have this thing called illuminations. Ginza is really known for it, so it's like Nakameguro, but yeah, I've just been too busy trying to get my stuff together and work, so I haven't been able to go out there, so I'm a little bummed, but anyways, so yeah, they do kind of do something Christmassy in Japan, but it doesn't really feel like Christmas like back home in America. And I did not know it was going to be this loud when I came out today. Oh well, lesson learned, lesson learned. Okay, so now I'm going to actually go over to Shibuya Station and you guys will see what that looks like. So bear with me. This is like an all-out jam-packed video on Christmas, Shibuya, and now the station. Oh, and if you guys look over there, they're doing a lot of construction to prepare for the Olympics, so it's really exciting. So if you guys come here, I'm like shouting. If you guys come here around Olympic time, 2020, you're going to see so many of these infrastructures like all changed, new buildings, and they're changing some of the railways, like where you board and stuff, so it's going to be crazy. Alright, I'm out of here. I can't do crowds like this anymore. It's like, oh my gosh, no, get me out of here. Alright. Bear with me. Are you guys having fun? It's crazy. It's like a sea of people. Now you're probably wondering what other stuff about Christmas. Like how else does Japan celebrate Christmas? Do they do gifts? I'm getting pushed around. People kind of do gifts. It's really like family stuff. Like, of course, if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, or I think it's mostly boyfriend or girlfriend, you would exchange presents. If you have kids, I don't know, everyone just stopped, so if you have kids, you'll do presents with the kids. But I've noticed, and actually I asked a couple of my students from before if they give their husband or wife presents, and normally they don't. Oh my god, I would be so mad. Okay. Anyways, alright, so what other stuff? As some of you guys may know, you do eat fried chicken, and what else? Cake for Christmas. It's not the turkey or the mashed potatoes. Yeah. Oh, my hair. So yeah, so in general, you guys, I really do miss Christmas, like how we do it back in the States. I feel like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel real over here. It's pretty, it's really pretty, but yeah. Oh, there's one of my favorite jewelry stores. They've got really pretty rings. Anyways, my hair. So I've got a story about this place, but you know, I'm not dissing Japan at all. Actually, I have a story. Way back when, it was actually on these steps. I came here for work and I couldn't find the elevator or the escalators down this way, and I had like two big luggages with me, and these two girls in heels, they actually helped me out. They were helping me carry my luggage down the stairs, which was so nice. So yeah, I love the hospitality of Japanese people here. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go towards the quieter end. So I'm like underground at Shibuya Station in the underground area. Oh, look, a juice bar. They don't have Jamba Juice, no Robex. So it's kind of depressing because their smoothies are really small and about the size of Jamba Juice. So oh man, okay. Oh, it's warm down here. What else? What else about Christmas? Oh yes, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but around Christmas, especially last year, they would play Disney songs. So every year, I guess, they play a festive theme. And this year happens to be Star Wars. Great marketing. So you'll hear the Star Wars like dun 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 dun, like when you're about to board the train or something. So it's really cool. And then a lot of the train stations along a certain line. And when I say line, I mean like I'm gonna take one line. I don't want to say which line because you know how it is. But if you take a line, every train station that you stop along that line, they'll actually have like light up stuff, stamp stuff that you can collect. It's really cool. Alright, I'm going to use my pass. Got my K for Cali. Okay, where do I go? I go this way. Were you able to see that? I don't know, I'm just like, I hope you're able to see all this. Okay. Alright, this is like what it's like to take a train at Shibuya Station during rush hour. Because what? It's like, well, this isn't even the peak either. Here we go. I think I'm just gonna keep going until my camera stops. Anyways, I've always wanted to show you guys what the train stations look like too. Just because I think it's fascinating. This is what I have to deal with every time I go to work. And Shibuya Station is one of the biggest, so yeah. It's a lot of walking. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, so for Japan, here, can I flip the camera around while I'm, no I can't, okay. But here, I'm gonna show you. So I'm going down that way. Her name is Namie Amuro. She's like really popular and famous, and you guys might know her. Yeah, they have her billboard up there. And I heard she's retiring, so not sure how that really goes, because so many people, I feel like in entertainment, they're like, I'm retiring, but they come back like a year later and they show up in Vegas or something. So, oh my gosh, it's still so cold, like my cheeks are frozen. Yeah. All right, I hope everyone is having a Merry Christmas out there. Oh shoot, you're about to see what well, you know what, I'm just gonna do this up until you guys hear the song for when we're about to board, and then you guys will see what it's like and appreciate the Star Wars song. So I think I said in the other videos, but people are relatively quiet in the train station. That's like a song that they play because now they're telling everyone, oh, the doors are gonna close. So I guess that's how everyone knows, like, oh my gosh, I better rush because they're playing this song and the doors are gonna close. So they're saying the name of the line. Next train is on platform 3. You're gonna see how loud the train is, or how crowded the train is. Oh man, there seems to be. Okay, here we go. Somebody, or a lot of people, don't wear deodorant. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.